In the heart of India's south lies a treasure mass of biodiversity, a land where nature thrives in all its glory. The Western Ghats. Stretching over 1,600 kilometers along the western coast of India, the Western Ghats are the UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the world's 8 hottest hotspots of biological diversity. The Western Ghats are the home for thousands of plants and animal species, many of which are found nowhere else on the earth. It's crucial that we protect this unique ecosystem for future generations. However, this natural wonder is facing numerous threats, like deforestation, illegal logging, and encroachment are putting immense pressure on this delicate ecosystem. But amongst all the challenges, there is a hope. Indigenous communities and local organizations are working endlessly to conserve the Western Ghats. Conservation efforts include reforestation projects, sustainability agriculture practices, and the creation of protected areas to safeguard the rich biodiversity of Western Ghats. As the sun sets over the mist-covered peaks, one thing becomes clear. The Western Ghats are not just a landscape, they are legacy. A legacy worth protecting for the generations to come. Protect and preserve the Western Ghats for nature, for humanity, and for the future.